Meaning of gas mantle.
Gas mantle.
Gas mantle.
Gas mantle.
Gas mantle. A gas mantle is a device used in gas lamps to produce light. It consists of a fabric mantle that is impregnated with a solution of metal salts and then burned. The heat from the burning gas causes the metal salts to glow, producing a bright white light. The gas mantle was first used in the late 19th century and quickly replaced earlier methods of lighting such as candles and oil lamps. It was widely used for several decades before being replaced by electric lighting in the 20th century.